to this episode of Parables, guys. It's been a while since I've made a vlog. Life has been really busy for the Ayers family. If you've been following us online, you know that we moved out of California. We now live in Arizona, and it's middle of September, and it's still pretty warm out. The sun is out. That's either a good thing or a bad thing, depending on where you live. I wanted to come to you guys today and talk to you about something that is kind of I think is really serious, and a lot of people don't pay enough attention to it, especially if you're new to the world of online advertising or marketing. You will get kind of caught up in this tsunami of ad spend that is gonna hit you in Q4 of this year, and there's a lot of different factors. Now let me first explain what this phenomenon that this what we kind of call Q4 is all about. So every year in Q4, that's when advertising gets the most expensive. It is crazy how expensive your advertising is in the month of November and December versus April and May. And there's a number of reasons for that. And we have kind of the perfect storm coming up this year. So I want to kind of sound the alarm and give you the warning so that you can best prepare your business to not waste money where you don't need to waste money online, and you can really still remain profitable with your online advertising. But let's break down why it gets so expensive. Number one, there are over 7 million advertisers on the Facebook platform. 7 million. That's insane. That's a lot of people giving Zuckerberg his money and building the bill. I was just at the Facebook building just a couple weeks ago. It is massive. It looks like a small city. It's got restaurants inside. It ranges for blocks and blocks. It is massive. That money comes from people who are advertising on the platform. And so what always happens is the bigger brands, the bigger companies, wait for that plane to go by. What always happens is the bigger companies start spending more money in Q4. Your retail shops, your places that are selling e-commerce products and everything from the Christmas season to just New Year's, everything kind of culminates and everything gets more competitive. And when it gets more competitive, it's when it gets more and more expensive. And so for everybody who's trying to sell products or services or goods online, consulting, coaching, you're trying to generate leads for your small business, you are having to compete with every big box store that's gearing up for Black Friday and the Christmas season. The retail season is where all these companies make the most amount of their money. It's also when they do the most amount of their advertising. And so you have to compete with those big box, big name, big brand, big budget stores and companies. And so that's one reason why it gets really expensive. But here's something that you're also not thinking about, and something that a lot of advertisers who are trying to weather the storm are also not thinking about. But we are coming up on the heavy part, or the beginning parts of heavy election season advertising. That means all your favorite politicians who are trying to run for office, whether it be the presidency, the Senate, Congress, doesn't matter, they are all also trying to get in the ear, trying to get in the eyeball of your customer, because they want to run ads gearing up for the primary season, gearing up for election season. So not only do we have this perfect storm of Q4 traditional retail advertising, but we also have the political season that's really kind of starting to ramp up, and that really puts a chokehold on any small business trying to advertise online on Facebook and really trying to get the word out. But here is your opportunity. And you hear me talk a lot about this, and that is YouTube ads. Now, don't get me wrong, there's going to be a lot of companies who are advertising on YouTube, but right now there's still such an opportunity that not a lot of businesses are doing that. In fact, let me just pick this up. You have a really good opportunity in front of you to get in front of people in a really unique way, because most companies still are not advertising on YouTube. Now let's break down why YouTube advertising is so effective. Number one, it uses video, and video, just like this, is a great way for you to connect with your prospects and your buyers, right? Because it allows you to build a bridge of rapport and trust that's otherwise not found so much in direct mail or telemarketing or other traditional forms of advertising. But with video, you can make human-to-human connections with folks, and you can build relationships with them that allows you to offer your pitch, offer your product, offer your service in a very unique way, because people feel like they know you, and that's important. So not only is YouTube great because it leverages the most emotional medium outside of hand-to-hand handshakes and hugs, but it allows you to do something where nobody else is playing right now. Most people, the 7 million advertisers that are on Facebook who are gonna be spending more money this season advertising, could move over to YouTube, and there's still such an opportunity because there's not enough people doing it. So if your business is not geared up for Q4, quarter four of 2019, and you're trying to compete with every big box store, every retail chain, everybody out there that's trying to sell something this holiday season, and you're not advertising on YouTube, you got wide open water right there. Just jump in, take advantage of this opportunity, take advantage, because who knows how long this good ride is gonna last. And if you don't take advantage, if you don't capture that right now, then, man, I just, don't let that opportunity pass you by. So if you are new to the channel, here's what I want you to do. I want you to click on the subscribe button. I want you to hit the little bell notification, leave a comment, leave a like. Let us know, this is not a tear, this is sweat dripping down my face because it is still 100 degrees outside. But leave a comment, let us know what you think. Let us know how you're preparing for quarter four of 2019 and how you're gonna leverage the opportunities that are before you, how you're gonna avoid pitfalls. I'd love to hear about it. If you'd love to know more about the Made You Look Video Marketing Program and how we're training and teaching business owners how to leverage the YouTube platform to generate leads, sales, and profitable business, then I want you to find the link that's in the description below. Schedule a call. You're gonna go to our website. You're gonna schedule a call with somebody from our team, and we're gonna explain how YouTube can be a very powerful engine in growing your business. Guys, thank you so much for putting up with the patience and not having an episode for a while. Hope to see you guys soon.